Lead can get into drinking water through some pipes and plumbing. Lead is a toxic metal that can be harmful to human health, and for children, can cause irreversible health effects. Identifying and replacing lead service lines is an important way to reduce exposure to lead in drinking water. But what exactly is a lead service line? Service lines are the sections of underground pipe used to connect the home or building to the main water line. If a pipe is made of lead, then it is called a lead service line. Lead can leach from these pipes into your tap water. Lead service lines are more likely to be found in older cities and homes built before 1986. In homes with a lead service line, this is the most significant source of lead in drinking water. However, lead can also be found in other plumbing materials and faucets. Protect your tap. A quick check for lead can help you check the pipes that bring water into your home and provides resources to get your water tested for lead and tips to reduce exposure to lead in drinking water. If you have a lead service line, contact your water supplier and ask about options for reducing your exposure to lead, including replacement opportunities.